Right, I went ahead and bought a Transporter HQ fridge, which is there. It's a double opener, but as you can see, I've got a big gap there. So the wife, she wants the fridge lifted up, so the fridge sits up here, and there's a gap at the bottom for, I don't know, whatever she wants to put in there. So try and make a shelf and get it lifted up, and then we'll see how we fare. Right, so you've probably just seen me make this, but I've just made that, which goes in there like that. So if you can imagine that there, cupboard underneath. So we'll get it fixed in, and then we'll see where we are. So after bit of faffing about, as usual, I've managed to lift the fridge up. So I've got a void underneath now, so I'll try and make, I don't know, I might put a door on it or keep something in there. I'm not quite sure what, but we'll think of something, no doubt. It's just on the latch at the minute because the fridge isn't on, but another job ticked off the list. Now we'll have to get back to trying to do the top waste, which I've been putting off because I've got to drill a hole in the floor of the van, which I don't really want to do, but needs must and all that. So now, when you're standing outside the van like I am now, look, the fridge, just the right height to get a beer. You can open the door, oh hang on, you can open the door that way, or that way. But we'll just leave it on the, where is it? The latch. Oh God. Just leave it on the latch for now, because it isn't switched on. So, right, another job off the list.